The centre has announced draft aviation policy aimed at popularising air travel among the people. The draft proposes to improve air connectivity among the smaller cities. Airlines will not be allowed to charge more than Rs 2,500 for 1 hour flight between two small cities. As per the new draft, about 300 airports and airstrips in smaller cities are identified to be operationalised. The draft says the government will provide money for its setting up by a special fund. To boost the aviation sector, the draft proposes tax incentives to airlines by giving them custom exception on expensive aviation fuel.
Once we take a decision, a policy will be there. It's not truth for all time. It will be having a fixed period of being in existence, and so that the industry can plan. This is the concept.
The policy aims to bring India to third position from the current 10th position in the global aviation sector. Passenger safety as well as bringing air travel within the reach of the common man is the main focus of the policy.
सुरक्षा हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, हमारी प्राथमिकता है। इन सभी विषयों को देखते हुए एमआरओ बिजनेस, कार्गो बिजनेस, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मान्यताओं को ध्यान में रखते हुए, इकाओ के मार्गदर्शकों को ध्यान में रखते हुए किस तरह हम विश्व के जो 10वें स्थान पर हम एविएशन इंडेक्स पर हैं, हमारा टारगेट है कि हम उसमें तीसरे स्थान पर आने की क्षमता भारत के अंदर है।
The policy proposes separate regulations for helicopters from the 1st of April 2016. Centre will support growth of choppers for remote area connectivity, intra-city movement, tourism, law enforcement, disaster relief and medical evacuation. Other policy reforms which have been envisaged are greater deregulation, transparency and e-governance, aviation education and skill building, and promotion of sustainable aviation practices. The policy is open to comments from the industry and various stakeholders before being finalized.
One of the stars in the policy is this really low-cost airports, If that becomes a reality, whether it be many in one city or in the smaller cities really going for things that actually work, then, net it's really worth it, yeah.
At least there are sectors where you would need, funding and assistance. Otherwise, that route doesn't remain viable. So the unviable route to become a viability needs some support.
However, the government has decided to seek more comments from stakeholders before taking a final call on 5x20 norms, whereby local airlines can fly overseas only when they have 5 years of operational experience and at least a fleet of 20 aircraft. With Ajay Mishra, News Night Desk, DD News,